Hello YouTube gardeners. This week at Southern California Gardening, we're getting our garlic planted. We're planting a Bavarian Purple. You can see here we got it from Territorial Seeds, and it's got a bit of a kick. It's kind of spicy, which is perfect for us. It's a hardneck, and you can see here the information on this type of garlic. It can store for 9 months to a year. So I'm going to pop over to the bed that we'll be growing our garlic and onions in and share with you how we prepared the soil. But before I head over to our garlic growing location, all of this garlic here is last season's garlic that we grew, and we grew it from store-bought organic garlic cloves. So you don't necessarily have to get your garlic cloves from a seed company, but they have so many varieties to choose from. You get to read about what you're going to grow, so you get a lot of information that way on the garlic you'll be growing, and we're really excited to try this Bavarian Purple. Garlic is extremely easy to grow, and if you're growing in Southern California, then you get the option to plant your garlic in the fall or early winter, and you can also plant in the spring. This long bed is where we grow most of our onions and garlic, and I'll also be planting garlic throughout the vegetables in the raised beds in the garden area. Since pests aren't too fond of garlic and onions, then getting some planted in between our cabbage and lettuce is going to be a great deterrent. These beds are in a full sun location, and we've already mixed a bunch of Harvest Supreme aged compost throughout the soil. I broke apart the cloves the other day, and now I'm just going to come in with my bamboo stick here and create some holes about 2 inches deep every 4 inches. And now that I have the holes prepared, just gonna grab a clove, stick it in. The pointed top is gonna stay up. That's where the leaves are gonna grow. Stick it down in the soil about 2 inches and cover it with some dirt. And I'm placing these in the hole with their protective layer on. That just breaks off as it starts to grow. All right, I'm gonna get these guys covered up, and then they're gonna get watered from this irrigation hose. They're never going to be soggy in here, so they'll get plenty of water, but they're never going to be sitting in very, very soggy soil. There's not a lot of pests to worry about in growing garlic, but they can experience white rot, which is a fungus. And garlic plants are heavy feeders, so I'll be getting them fed with some nitrogen. If you notice your leaves are starting to yellow, then you know it's time to get them another dose of nitrogen. That's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow your own food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.